What is alchemy? Alchemy is the art of transformation. Plain and simple, it is transforming one thing into another. What is mental alchemy? Mental alchemy is the art of turning negative thought processes into positive thought processes. This process changes your beliefs significantly over time to bring about the positive manifestations through the energy of our thinking. When we hear the term alchemy, we often attribute it to the old images of turning lead into gold. What we don't realize is that we are doing mental and spiritual alchemy every day to manifest the things or to block manifestations in our lives that we desire. Now, how can we really tap into this and recognize our power and the abilities we have to turn our lives into the manifestation of our dreams? How do we take hold of that power and channel it to our highest good? When we are talking about mental and spiritual alchemy, we are talking about transformation. Transforming one mindset into another. A negative into a positive. Say for instance you have the belief that you don't deserve abundance, you hold a mindset of lacking what you need. What we need to do is take this mindset and transmute that, or transform it, into not only the belief that we do deserve abundance but the knowing within, that we already have it. When we live in the mindset of, say, poverty, we attract that energy and we bring more poverty and hardships to ourselves. When we change or transmute that mindset to a mindset of having abundance, we attract exactly that. Take a moment and sit quietly and think about something that you struggle with. Something you want to change about your life for the better. Notice your emotions around that. Write these emotions on a piece of paper, the thoughts about this that you are feeling that are negative. Now put that paper aside and on a new piece of paper write down everything that you believe that you would feel if you had what you wanted. How would it make you feel? What would your life be like? Sit in those emotions and thoughts, allow yourself to truly feel those emotions and visualize the successes. Now go back to that piece of paper that you wrote the negative limiting beliefs on and see how that small time visualizing and feeling the success has changed your emotions about the negative aspects. This is transmutation. This is turning lead your negative beliefs into gold your success. Any time that you feel that these emotions are coming up, do this exercise and transmute those limiting beliefs. The more you are able to do this, the easier it will be to manifest the life you want. Manifestation can be formed by thought. The mind can manifest anything into form. The mental alchemist can produce whatever he or she desires. There is nothing that cannot be done, anything and everything can be done. The mental alchemist is all about manifestation. Energy is free. There is no owner. It is distributed throughout the universe, dimensions, and worlds. The energy belongs to whoever holds life. It is empowered by the alchemist. It is distributed by all life forms, but the one who is aware of the energy around and within him, is the one who can propel himself to greatness. Energy is neither good or bad, this only belongs to the mental alchemist. It is yin and yang, or God and devil. From riches, to perfect health, success, peace, and happiness, the mental alchemist can manifest all these things. In order to be successful and wealthy, the mental alchemist must dwell in wealth and success energy in order to manifest wealth and success. In order for the mental alchemist to have peace, happiness, and perfect health, he must swim in this energy in order to produce forth these things in his or her life. All is energy. Money is energy. Be one with money energy and bring forth great wealth. Be one with the energy that you want in your life and it will bring forth the thing that you desire. Like a lemon seed produces a lemon tree and sprouts lemons, so does the energy you dwell yourself in will produce familiar results. Does the seed of an oak tree bring forth berries? Obviously not. If one wants to be a master mental alchemist, he must feel himself in the same energy it wants to manifest into form. Be one with your desire and it will manifest. This is the law of creation. You cannot fail. Now, Go forth and manifest anything you dare to dream. The universe is waiting to conspire in your favor. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.